Hello everyone. So we'll be soldering for lab 1 and 2 installation of strain gauges. We have our specimen ready with strain gauges installed on them. First what we do is we secure the wire on the copper tabs of the strain gauge with drafting tape so that we don't have to worry about locating the wires while we are soldering the strain gauges and the wire together. So what we do is we connect the soldering machine to power and set the temperature to 650 Fahrenheit. Let it heat up, wait for a minute, and we can also confirm whether the soldering tip is hot enough by melting the flux on the tip. So you can see it's melting, it's good enough. Now we are ready to solder. So what we do is we put the soldering gun in such a way that it connects at the joint between the wire and the copper tab, and we feed the flux in such a way that it is fed both to the copper tab and the wire. So what are we looking for here is a good connection of the wire, solder and the copper tab together. We will be verifying this later by connecting the setup to strain indicator and see if we get readings. Make sure you show your soldering to TA to confirm and check with visual inspection.